Well, it's been a minute. I've been working away, changing around or modifying the SRAD for the next track day and also for classic racing. The main changes that I have made is we have Axial brakes on the front because radials aren't allowed in the Period 7 classic racing class in Australia. Seems a little bit crazy because Foggy won the world title in '99, which is the last year of the Period 7, with radial calipers on the 91 or 998 or whatever it was, and Frankie Keeley and stuff ran it on the SRAD in '99 as well. So it's mildly annoying, but not much you can do about it. So we've got new front end, well, sort of, I'll talk about that in a minute, but axial calipers. I'm running an AIM dash on there as well, so a Solo 2 DL. It's monitoring the brake switch at the moment. Eventually that will go to brake pressure, but I need to run new lines with the T-junction and everything to get the sensor in there. I haven't quite got that yet. I've got a Brembo master cylinder. Previously it was a different brand, but this one I had lying around and works well with those calipers. We've got a water pressure sensor in here as well. It's picking up the oil sensor. And then also we're running a Yoshimura system. It's a full system. It's super light, it's super nice, and it's pretty loud. And then we're also running a K6 rear swing arm. That's also been made possible by Martin over at Bahia Racing with his kit that changes the eccentric swing arm pivot. So you can run the K6 swing arm. Because essentially the shaft, the swing arm shaft thing is thinner. So it allows you to run that. And then I'm also running his linkage and dog bones underneath, which make compensations for the slightly longer swing arm. And then we are running the JCNC, whatever these things are called. I'll put it on screen in a minute. We're running those in there as well. Everything else is pretty much the same, but it's quite a big change, I guess, or a lot of things happened since the last time I ran this. And the main reason I changed them was, well, the front end because of the classic racing, and the rear end, well, because I just wanted to change the rear end around. So we'll see how we go. The track day on, what day is it today? Thursday. So it's Easter Thursday, or Thursday before Easter today. So on the weekend, I'm running over at the Broadford Bike Bonanza, which is like a 3-day event here in Melbourne. And I'll give it a bit of a run, see how it goes, and then make any changes. So this is just sort of a quick update to let everyone know, hey, I'm back sort of thing. And also these are the changes to the bike. And then I'll do a separate video in the next little while with the fairing off and everything, just running through some of the changes, particularly the front end conversion and how I'm able to run those axial calipers with a K8 front wheel, K8 disc, K8 triples. So Tim, who works at McHone, did some suspension tweaking with the 2 different fork setups to get the axial calipers on the K8 uppers, essentially. So I'll do a bit of video about that, but I think it looks pretty good. The exhaust is very nice. It's a very, very tidy unit. You can see, if I move this camera, the swing arm pivot and linkage and everything under there is super nice. Still running the Olin shock. Got to clean a bit of grease off there, but it's in. Still got the kit radiator and everything in there, and then we're running these Brembo calipers with some adapters. Yeah, and then the AIM system is just mounted up there. So power's on. Oh, the AIM system was put in by Kyle over at KB Motorsport. So yeah, there we go. So we've got a few different pages in there. This is probably the one I'll run the most with RPM, oil pressure, and temperature.